my 2008 Viper ACR. It is a ACR-X clone, meaning from the factory, Dodge made the ACR-X's as race cars. So this was actually an ACR-X then converted into a clone, or the ACR-X clone. So we'll get to the front here. Again, mostly factory, has the splitters, has the winglets. The ACR-X's typically have that. And then under the hood, well, we got a little tow hook there. Hopefully I'll never have to use that. Under the hood, we've got the 8.4 V10. The ACR-X clones have, or this one has a built motor, full exhaust system, Mopar ECU. So that should be about 650, 660 horsepower. I've actually got Moton upgraded suspension in here, some really high-grade track stuff. So it's a pretty strong car, pretty unique setup. When you turn it on, you'll hear how it sounds. Coming to the sides, we've got Forgeline race wheels. They're lightweight wheels, and then Pirelli slicks. Brakes are upgraded. You got race pads in there and race rotors. You'll see this power switch right here. So this is power to the whole car. So if I flip that switch, we got power in there. Once I flip that, we got power killed. So for the racetrack, it's a safety thing. If you got electrical fire or something, you slap that to turn it off. So coming around to the back here, again, we've got the wing in the back to counteract the winglets and spoiler in the front. We've also got some stakes on the bottom. You'll see a little bit chewed up on the bottom. That's again because of the downforce at track, at speed. So I'm gonna pop the trunk here and I can show you all the cool stuff that race cars have. So as you can see, we've got a full cage in there. I'll show you on the inside. Looks like a regular cooler. It's actually a cooler. So this right here is AC basically for the car, and this is AC for the driver's helmet. So this other end of it will plug into the back of a helmet, so it keeps the air going through there, cool air. You'll see these two lines. This is actually for a cool suit. So I have a special t-shirt that I wear that has water jackets running through it, and this runs cool water through the shirt to keep me cool. So this thing will run itself, you know, basically it's AC for the car. And then lastly, you'll see the Moton shocks reservoirs for the back. And obviously this big bad boy right here is a fuel tank. So you literally pop that open and throw your fuel in there. No more fuel tank in stock location. Okay, so the inside you'll see there's a full cage in here. Steering wheel that's sitting in the passenger seat there. This is race seats, race cage. There's no windows anymore. As you can see, the doors are gutted for the cage. This is not a street car anymore. So this right here is actually a dash and everything. So it will tell you, you can program stuff in there. It's a RPM. And then, let's see if it pulls up here. Now it will in a second. There we go. So it basically tracks all your lap times and best times and lap numbers you're on. It's coupled with this unit right here, which is the camera. And the camera obviously watches what you do on the track. There's an antenna on top. And the antenna is also coupled to that unit right there, so that will show me what's actually going on in the camera. So I can record it and everything from there. So as you can see, I don't know if you can zoom in, but it's actually taking the camera in the camera. So there you go, yep. So it's kind of cool. So that's the interior on this thing. There's a plexiglass back glass there, as you can see. Yeah, so this was a complete street car, then gutted and turned into a race car. So it's a dedicated track toy. It's my new track toy for Brainerd. I used to track street cars, but you know, with how fast cars are getting, how crazy everything gets getting, you know, I wanted some safety, so I wanted a car that's specifically for the racetrack. So the cage and everything is gonna keep me safe if anything happens. And then, you know, it's just a really unique car. So my fastest times at Brainerd have been in Vipers, so I thought, well, you can't get any better than this. So I bought myself a race car.